Hello and welcome to Make My Naksha. Today we are discussing about 255 square feet duplex house plan with both first floor and the ground floor details. If you want any plan for your house, you can go to our website makemynaksha.com and send your query. We will try to solve your problem as soon as possible. Let's move into the ground floor plan of the house first. You can see the front width of the house is 15 feet and the depth of the house is 17 feet. As you enter the house, you will get a main entrance porch area which is 6 feet 1 inches wide and 6 feet 4 inches in depth. Let me show you also. This is 6 feet 1 inches and 6 feet 4 inches. We have provided the staircase at the front side. Moving further into the house, this is the entrance of the house. As you enter the house, you will get a living area which is 5 feet 2 inches by 10 feet 4 inches, where 5 feet 2 inches is this one, 5 feet 2 inches, and in depth it is 10 feet 4 inches. Here you can see with wall it is 10 feet 4 inches. Now we have provided a kitchen alongside a living area which is 4 feet 6 inches. Let me show you the dimensions. This is the 4 feet 6 inch width and 7 feet 3 inches in depth. By showing the dimensions, you can easily recognize which dimension is for what purpose. And we have given a multi-purpose OTS here. Here this OTS is giving ventilation to the kitchen and the bath area. That's why we have given these windows. All the green lines are indicating the windows. This is the window of the house and this is the small window of bath. This is a small wash area if you prefer to, and this is the bath area which is 4 feet in width. This is 4 feet in width and 5 feet 8 inches in depth. Now moving into the first floor of the house. This is the first floor plan. From here you will enter the first floor. You will get a small balcony area which is of decent size, and we have given the bedroom on the first floor. The bedroom is around 10 feet by 10 feet, where the width is 10 feet 4 inches with wall and 10 feet inner to inner distance. Let me show you more. This is 10 feet inner to inner distance and which is of decent. Here you can see this is 10 by 10. And we have continued the OTS from the ground floor, which is giving ventilation to the bedroom and both the bath. We have given the attached bath to the bedroom area, and if you want any plan or you have any query regarding this plan, you can contact us on our website or to our Gmail ID. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and subscribe for more videos like this.